Hey everyone, welcome to another cooking video from Wally Cooks Everything. My name is Wally and today I'm going to be making Grapow Moo Kai Dao. It's basically one of the most popular dishes in Thailand. Outside of Thailand, you also find it in Thai restaurants all around the world. This dish I'm using pork, which is moo in Thai, but you can use ground beef, you can use seafood, ground chicken, or you can use chicken chunks. The main component of this dish is the grapow. It's a Thai holy basil, totally different from Thai basil. Grapow is basically more, it has a licorice type taste, very pungent aroma, and it just gives the dish a real good burst of flavor. And then we have 5 cloves of garlic, and then we have another main ingredient, which is the chili. So this is Prik quinoa. I have 6 pieces here, and then this is 5 pieces of Prik inda. Okay, general rule of thumb is the smaller the chili pepper, the spicier it is. So Prik quinoa is a lot more spicy. So I just have a combination here, different level of heat mixture factor. Another major component is the sauce. This sauce here is 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black soy sauce. You can also add 1 teaspoon of sugar, but I don't normally like to add sugar into my food, but Thai cooking, they love to add just a little bit of sugar, sort of cancel out the heat. Okay, so the way to set this up is, first I have to make a chili and garlic paste. To break down the garlic and chilies, I'm using a mortar and pestle. These you can buy in most stores these days, most Asian groceries, they should have it. So these are perfect for breaking down the garlic and the chili into a sort of a paste. You can also use a blender to mix these up, blend it all together. Just make sure you don't make the pieces too small. They just have to be fine enough so that you can see it in the dish, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crush the chilies, the small ones and the big ones. But first I'm going to take the stems off before I do that. This is the Prik inda. Very important tip is to, after you touch these, don't touch your eyes. Okay, because you're gonna burn yourself, especially if you have a loved one coming into the kitchen and you want to be sweet and you just want to, you know, caress her face. Don't do it. You'll burn her. You'll piss her off like I did. Okay, so the stems are out, and now I'm gonna pulverize the chilies first. Don't be surprised if stuff starts flying out. It's okay. Just put it back in. Give it a stir or two. Give it a good whack, and you might start coughing a little bit, but that just means that you're doing it right because the chilies are very potent. All right, so I got a paste in there going. So I'm going to put in my garlic and I'll work these two. Using a mortar and pestle is better than using a blender, I think, because at least with a mortar and pestle, you can work out your anger issues. For example, the guy that didn't turn on his blinkers when he was turning left. It's good for working on your aggression if you have any. I can smell it. It smells like so spicy. The garlic and the chili, it's just a great combination. I already got some of the chili on my face and it started to burn. And this is what I call working for dinner. Okay, that's it. There's the chili garlic mixture paste. So I'm gonna get a spoon to scrape this all out. And there you go. The chili and garlic paste for moo. This is very potent stuff. So when you start cooking this, it's gonna make you sneeze. You make your eyes a little bit watery. But it's all gonna be so tasty. Okay, so as I said, this dish is Grapow Moo Kai Dao. So there's an egg in here, Kai Dao. I recommend frying the egg first because it's just going to be easier for you because you're going to be using only 1 pan. So fry the egg first, and then you can use some of the extra oil from frying the egg to cook the rest of the Grapow Moo. And when they make the egg is sunny side, never scrambled. So somehow I got some chili on the top of my forehead. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of red. I don't know. Be careful, okay, folks? Okay, so that's what you're looking for the egg. I like my egg runny, so I'm going to stop it right now, and I'm going to scoop it out. And there's my egg. It's a little bit brown on the outside, and then inside it's still golden yellow. This is going to be great when I put it on top of my Grapow Moo. Okay, so right now I just dumped a little bit of the oil, so I have some extra left here. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the pan to get hot, which is right now. Right now I have the heat on medium high. The first thing I'm going to put in is the chili and garlic paste. Just use a spatula to mix it around. So what I'm looking for right now is for the garlic to get a little bit golden before I drop in my minced pork. Get ready to cough. And then I'm gonna put in my pork. Now I'm gonna put in my sauce. So I don't like my Grapow Moo or any other type of Grapow ingredient or recipe too wet. I like mine on the dry side. I know that certain areas in Thailand, they'll use more sauce, but for me, I prefer mine a little bit more dry. And you gotta cook it down a little bit to get out some of the moisture if you like it dry, or just add less sauce. And then I'm going to add about a cup of holy basil. Just let the residual heat cook the holy basil down. Alright, that's it. It's done. Grapow Moo. So let's go plate this. Grapow Moo. Check that out. This is a certainly larger portion that you find at a Thai restaurant. Then egg on top. Check that out. Alright. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay everyone, thanks for watching again. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And for future videos, if you want to see them, please subscribe to this channel and go ahead and hit the bell notification button. I've been to Thailand a lot. You most likely had this dish numerous times, and then when you get home and you want to make it, now you know how, alright? So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.